Vitamin C is an important vitamin, which means your body can't make it on its own. Yet, it has a lot of different jobs and has been shown to have great health benefits. It's water-soluble and found in a lot of fruits and vegetables, like oranges, strawberries, kiwi fruit, bell peppers, broccoli, kale, and spinach, but it's also found in many other foods. Women should get 75 milligrams of vitamin C a day, and men should get 90 milligrams a day. As a general rule, it's best to get your vitamin C from food, but many people take supplements to meet their needs. Here are 7 scientifically proven reasons to take a vitamin C pill. 1. May cut your chances of getting a long-term illness. There are a lot of things that can help you stay healthy, and one of them is taking vitamins. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help your body fight off infections. Antioxidants are molecules that help the body fight off infections. Because they protect cells from dangerous molecules called free radicals, they do this. Oxidative stress can happen when free radicals build up, which can lead to a lot of long-term illnesses. Studies show that if you eat more vitamin C, your blood antioxidant levels can rise by up to 30%. Using this helps the body fight off infections and other things that cause swelling. 2. May help you keep your blood pressure in check. In the United States, about 1/3 of adults have high blood pressure. It puts you at risk for heart disease, which is the #1 cause of death in the world. Vitamin C may be able to lower blood pressure in both people who have high blood pressure and people who don't have high blood pressure. An animal study found that taking vitamin C supplements made the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart more relaxed, which helped lower blood pressure levels, which is good for your heart. Another study looked at 29 human studies and found that taking vitamin C supplements can lower blood pressure in healthy adults by 3.8 millimeters of mercury and 1.5 millimeters of mercury, on average, in people who were otherwise healthy. A lot of adults who had high blood pressure took vitamin C supplements, which made their systolic blood pressure drop by 4.9% and their diastolic blood pressure drop by 1.7%. Even though these results are good, it's not clear if they will last. People who have high blood pressure should not just take vitamin C as a treatment. 3. May cut your chances of heart disease. Heart disease is the most common cause of death in the world. People who have high blood pressure, high levels of triglycerides or LDL, bad, cholesterol, and low levels of HDL, good, cholesterol are more likely to get heart disease. Taking vitamin C may help to cut down on these risk factors, which could cut down on heart disease risk as well. People who took 700 milligrams of vitamin C a day for 10 years had a 25% lower risk of heart disease than people who didn't take a vitamin C supplement. This was based on an analysis of 9 studies with a total of 293,172 people. Another study looked at 15 studies and found that people who ate a lot of vitamin C-rich foods had a lower risk of heart disease. However, scientists weren't sure if people who ate vitamin C-rich foods also lived a healthier life than people who took a supplement. Thus, it isn't clear whether the difference was caused by vitamin C or something else in their diet. This isn't the only study that looked at the effects of taking at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C a day on things like blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In this study, 13 studies were looked at. The study found that taking a vitamin C supplement cut LDL, bad, cholesterol by about 7.9 milligrams/dl and blood triglycerides by about 20.1 milligrams/dl. If you take or eat at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C a day, you could cut your risk of heart disease. However, if you already eat a lot of vitamin C-rich food, supplements may not help your heart health anymore. 4. Gout attacks may be less likely to happen if blood uric acid levels are lower. Gout is a type of arthritis that affects about 4% of American adults. A lot of the joints in your feet, especially those of your big toes, are getting inflamed. It's very painful. People who have gout have a lot of swelling and get very hurt very quickly. When there is too much uric acid in the blood, gout symptoms start to show up in the body. People make uric acid as waste. Crystallize and build up in the joints when it's at a very high level. There have been a lot of studies that say vitamin C can help cut down on uric acid in the blood, which can help prevent gout attacks. Study: 1,387 men who ate the most vitamin C had lower blood levels of uric acid than those who ate the least. Another study looked at 46,994 healthy men for 20 years to see if vitamin C intake was linked to getting gout. It found that people who took vitamin C supplements had a 44% lower risk of getting gout than people who didn't. Also, a review of 13 studies found that taking vitamin C supplements for 30 days reduced blood uric acid more than taking a placebo. Vitamin C intake and uric acid levels appear to be linked, but more research is needed to see if vitamin C can help people with gout. 5. It stops you from having too little iron in your body. Iron is an important nutrient that helps the body do a lot of different things. It's important for making red blood cells and getting oxygen to different parts of the body. Vitamin C supplements can help people get more iron from their food. Taking vitamin C helps your body convert iron that can't be absorbed, like iron found in plants, into a form that can be absorbed more easily. These are great for people who don't eat meat, since iron is found in meat. Even if you only eat 100 milligrams of vitamin C, it could boost iron absorption by 67%. Vitamin C, on the other hand, may help people who are more likely to get anemia if they don't get enough iron. There was a study that looked at 65 kids who had mild iron deficiency anemia and gave them vitamin C pills. In their study, they found that the supplement alone helped them control their anemia. Consuming more vitamin C-rich foods or taking a vitamin C supplement may help you get more iron into your body if you don't have enough iron in your blood. 6. It makes you more likely to fight off diseases. The main reason people take vitamin C supplements is to improve their immune system, because vitamin C is important in many parts of the body's immune system. There are two types of white blood cells called lymphocytes and phagocytes that help fight off infections. Vitamin C helps to make these white blood cells. Second, vitamin C helps these white blood cells work better and protect them from harmful molecules, like free radicals. It is also important for the skin to have vitamin C in order to protect itself. It can be an antioxidant and strengthen the skin's barriers. It moves quickly to the skin, where it can do both. Also, studies have shown that taking vitamin C may speed up the healing process of a cut or wound. It has also been found that people who don't get enough vitamin C are more likely to get sick. As an example, people who get pneumonia tend to have less vitamin C in their bodies, and vitamin C supplements have been shown to speed up the healing process. 7. As you get older, it helps you keep your memory and your brain sharp. This word is used to describe a lot of different problems with thinking and memory. Dementia is a general term for this. It affects more than 35 million people around the world and is most common in older people. Inflammation and oxidative stress near the brain, spine and nerves, called the central nervous system, may make it more likely that someone will become depressed. Taking vitamin C is a good way to fight off free radicals. People who don't get enough of this vitamin aren't able to think or remember well. There have also been a lot of studies that show that people with dementia may have less vitamin C in their blood. As you get older, a lot of vitamin C from food or supplements has been shown to help you think and remember better. Vitamin C supplements may help if you don't get enough vitamin C from your food. This could help with things like dementia. However, more human studies are needed to learn more about the effects of vitamin C supplements on the health of the nervous system.